There's a specific kind of loneliness that hits you when you're driving on an Indian highway at 3 a.m. The radio goes static, the street lights end, and suddenly it's just you and the darkness. We are taught that if we see someone in trouble, we should stop and help. But on four specific roads in India, that act of kindness could be your last mistake. From the industrial smoke of Orissa to the lush forests of Jharkhand, let's drive down the roads where the dead are still looking for a ride. Our first stop is the Ranchi Jamshedpur Highway, NH33. This stretch of road is unique in India. Here, superstition isn't just a belief, it is a traffic rule. Drivers who frequent this route speak of a lady of the highway, a tall woman in white sari who stands perfectly still at the blind turns. She waits for cars that are driving too fast or drivers who are too arrogant to pray. The fear is so palpable that stopping at the roadside Vandevi temple is practically mandatory. Truckers believe that if you drive past this temple without bowing your head, the lady doesn't stay on the road. She manifests inside your vehicle. And she doesn't want to lift, she wants to take the wheel. Moving into the steel city of Jamshedpur, the horror becomes more personal. On Neeldi Road near the Kinnan Stadium, the legend changes. It targets the lonely men returning from late night shifts. The story goes that a woman dressed in immaculate white waves for a lift. She looks normal, she looks human. But the moment she sits on your pillion or in your backseat, the temperature around you changes. She remains silent for the entire journey. But when you arrive at the destination and turn around to tell her she's home, you find yourself talking to thin air. The seat is empty. She vanishes from moving vehicles, leaving only a cold chill down the driver's spine. Just across the border in Rourkela, Odisha, the ring road offers a grimmer tale. This road runs dangerously close to the cremation grounds, and the atmosphere here is heavy with smoke and ash. The entity here isn't always the beautiful lady of Jamshedpur. Witnesses on this road have described stopping for a woman who seems to be in distress, only to realize too late that her features are distorted, sometimes described as half burnt or shadowy. She doesn't just vanish. Legend says she guides helpful strangers down the wrong path, leading them towards dead ends or the sites of old forgotten accidents before disappearing into the industrial fog. Finally, we travel to the Mumbai-Goa highway, specifically the Kashedi Ghat. This is a popular route for vacationers, but the locals know a terrifying secret. The spirits here don't want your soul, they want your food. Legend says this ghat is haunted by entities with an insatiable hunger. There is a strict unwritten rule: never carry non-vegetarian food through this ghat at night. If you do, your car might inexplicably break down in the darkest patch of the road. Drivers have reported their cars stalling for no mechanical reason, and when they check their supplies, the food containers are torn open and empty. The food vanishes from inside a locked car, and if the entities are still hungry, they might not let you leave. So if you're driving to Goa, maybe stick to a vegetarian diet. So the next time you're driving alone and you see a figure waving from the darkness, keep your eyes locked on the road ahead. Do not slow down, and whatever you do not look in your rearview mirror. You never know who or what might be looking back.